So this was the bad one. As you can see, it kind of caved in. And actually, this is part of the frame, broke the frame. Here's the better one. As you can see, the bottoms, this one's caved in so much. And here's the second issue. The bolt broke. That's supposed to go into the engine. And you can see it broke off. Now, so over here, you can see down there the big hole. I don't know if you can see it. See that big hole right there? We can go to the other, yep, there it is. So that's, as you saw the broken piece, right there, that's supposed to be over the hole. Kind of right on that. Yep, right over the hole. Okay. Come over here. We'll show you how it's supposed to look. See that? And that one I cleaned up, so I don't know what I'm gonna do now. We're gonna just have to decide. See, it's a nice clean hole right yard. And they had the same car as mine, an 83, 84 Mercedes. And I took the injection pump out. Nice. So I've got another injection pump if I need it. Took the oil filter housing out, and it's really easy to get to the motor mount. No jacks in here. And this thing I had to take out right there. That has like a dampener kind of thing. That was a 10mm all the way around. And it is finally set free. The piece I've been searching for. Looks pretty good. Hopefully that's not too gummed up or messed up, because my bolt is broke off in there. So now we just put it on my vehicle. It's crazy, I'm taking parts off this vehicle and it's in better shape than mine. The motor mounts a lot better than the ones that were on mine. Okay, so now I put it on mine. I'm good. No jacks were allowed in here, so I found one in the car and I jacked it up. That's it, folks. Okay, as we carry on the motor mount arm replacement, it was first motor mounts, now motor mount arm. First thing I'm going to do is remove the, see there is the air conditioning bracket that's holding the air conditioning pulley. So I'm going to remove that so I can get a little more access. I don't have AC, so that's why I'm going to remove it anyways, but I'm going to get more access to the motor mount arm. Look beneath. I have a bottle jack now. A bottle jack as well as a jack stand, but the bottle jack a little smaller actually, so I can move around a little bit better under there. And as you can see, I'm removing this here air conditioning pulley. Yes, so there's one of the bolts on that right there. There's one above it right there, and there's two on the other. Okay, so we took off the motor mount. Here's the comparison. This is the junkyard version, cleaned up. This is the old one. As you can see, look at that in there. That is not good. It's not a clean hole there. It's a broken bolt in there. It's quite a comparison right there. So it was 17mm. There were 4 bolts. You know, you gotta jack the engine up and down to kind of get at each bolt. Also, before you do that, you had to remove the dampener, which is right there. Kind of, you can see the top of it right there. That's set inside that hole on that bracket. Okay, as we carry on, I degreased. Power steering pump pretty good. Around here, pretty good. There, pretty good. And then I started going under. I could have done probably a little better, but I did pretty good. You know, here, pretty good. Here, up here, did that. It could be a little better. As you can probably get one last good look at this problem we had. I don't know how good you can see it. I'm hoping you can. Big hole, because the motor mount caved in.